Hello and welcome to this certificate course on pharmaceutical project management. Project management plays a very vital role in pharmaceutical industry. If you look at predominantly, project management is used in new product development as well as capacity expansion, like building the facilities and infrastructure. Project management helps organization to accelerate time to market from the new product perspectives. It helps to ensure compliance with the regulatory requirement. It helps in resource optimization. It helps in risk management. It also helps individuals, the project managers and the wannabe project managers to improve their cross-functional coordination, improve on the quality thinking, quality assurance, improve the portfolio management, program management, and project management. So whether you are a functional expert who is working in quality or production or new product development, R&D or portfolio function, or you are an aspirant into the project management function in pharmaceutical industry, or you are a fresh graduate, or you are an experienced person who wanted to learn more about project management, you are in the right place. Welcome to this course on pharmaceutical project management. I'm John Robert. I'm a founder of a company called Moonshot Systems. I provide trainings and consulting assignment to multinational corporations. Earlier, I had an opportunity to head the project management organizations of Dr. Reddy's and Pharma, Hospira, Pfizer, Jubilant, Dow Chemicals, Shasun Chemicals, to name few. I have also written four books on project management. You are seeing that in your screen. The latest one is Corporate Gladiators Handbook on Project Management. I have written a leadership journey of a project manager. The third book, which is called Project at the Rate of Relay Race, is a very interesting topic, and it gives tools and techniques to deliver projects faster than we would have ever imagined, and also a book on project management in the new normal. Beyond this, there are a couple of other books I have written in leadership and management as well. And I have spoken in national and international keynote speeches in various conferences, in various summits. And I have also been awarded by the organizations as well as the PMIs for creating a high performing PMOs, for creating a lot of ideas and other things. In 2013, 2023, I was selected as top 6 PMO leaders of the globe in the PMO Leaders Global Award. And I have also secured top 2 spot in Asia. This is just to not to impress on you. This is just to tell some background so that you are aware of from whom you are learning this. It's important that you learn right things from right person as well. So I have devised this entire program into 11 segments. Each of these segment will be discussing about couple of topics. At the same time, I have also given 4 different bonus sections. These bonus sections are very impressive section, like AI in project management, top trends in project management. It helps you to get up to speed on project management, and also uh, get into the jargons of project management so that you are well versed when you go back to your organization. When you are talking to somebody, you are speaking in the same language, right? So I will quickly take you through each of these segments so that you are getting some kind of familiarization about what's coming up in this. And by learning this, you will have a complete coverage of the entire length and width of project management. This helps you to get on to the job of managing projects. Project management process groups are basically initiation, planning, execution, control, and closeout. And there are 10 knowledge areas which are prevalent in project management. Unlike any other function, project management is something which is having a project management body of knowledge. And we have something called Project Management Institute, which teaches and certifies the project managers as well, right? So in the segment one, we are going to see all the foundations of project management, including the project life cycle, type of project management, like you might have heard about agile project management, right? So we are going to see all those kind of things, which essentially covers the core concepts. And from segment 2 to segment 11, we will be talking about the knowledge areas. Essentially, it covers project planning and scope management. Then it covers the time management and scheduling, and so on. But while doing this, I have not stuck this to the theoretical knowledge. Every section, I have given my own experience, and also I have given pragmatic case studies that has actually happened, so that you are able to relate to this and you are able to retain the learning much more better. The bonus section is also very exciting and interesting. You will learn even using chat GPT prompts for effective planning and risk management. All those kind of things are given. So what we try to do here is to empower you with not only the knowledge and also hacks, tools, and techniques, so that you become a better version of project manager than what you are today. Sounds exciting? Let us go through the section one after another, so that you are getting a little bit familiarity about what's coming up in the presentations. So project planning and scope management, we will deal with project charters, stakeholder identification, work breakdown structure, techniques for effective project planning, scope verification, and control. In the time management and scheduling, we will be seeing the activity sequencing, dependencies, how to make a project schedule, what is the critical path, what is the critical chain, how do we make Gantt chart, how do we allocate resources into the project schedule, and how do we manage the time. The time management aspect also given here, so that you are well prepared to prioritize your activities and deliver your activities much more better. And in the cost management and budgeting, we will see how to plan, estimate, and manage project cost effectively in order to complete project successfully within the budget. So we will see lot of details on cost estimation techniques. How do we develop budget? How do we do earned value management? How do we track the cost? And a very important section is on risk management. So we will have much more deep dive into the risk management. What are the types of risk, and how do we identify, how do we put that in a risk matrix, how do we prioritize this, including the risk priority numbers and the traffic signals. Using all of these things, develop a risk response plan, so that you are able to work out the plan B's, contingency option, mitigation options, that helps you to deliver your project successfully. Communication management is another important aspect. I hear people saying that in real estate, if it is like location, 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 in project management, it's about communication, communication, communication. The importance of communication cannot be understated. It's really, really important. We will see some of the hacks, practical techniques in order to improve the communication between project manager and the team, and also within the project teams. Then we will look at the stakeholder management. There are different types of stakeholders, including project sponsors, external stakeholders, internal stakeholders, team members, vendors, contractors, suppliers. How do we analyze them properly, and then put a communication plan, and then manage the dynamics, and then resolve the conflict? How do we succeed with the stakeholder management? Procurement and contract management, because a lot of things we buy from outside, be it R&D or raw material or steel and cement or the contracting process, all those kind of things. Essentially every project will depend on some input material for us to succeed. So how do we do this contract management successfully? Quality management, as we are in pharmaceutical industry, quality comes as number one priority. Here, it's not about the product quality, it's about the project quality. Quality, again, definition, the fitment for you. So, how much we are delivering against the original intent of the project is going to be the quality management in project management. So, we will see a little bit more deeper level on project quality management as well. Resources management is another topic that is going to be the segment 10. How do we identify, acquire, manage, and motivate the resources is something which we are going to see. Again, resources are not limited to human resources. It also covers the material resources, the equipment resources, all those kind of things. Wonderful. Then finally, project integration management. You can read integration management in the beginning, but I intentionally put that at the end. Integration management converges everything into one. Like we talk about time management, cost management, scope management, stakeholder management, risk management, resources management, quality management, procurement management. Everything is being integrated through the project integration management, and there is a process for this. How do we effectively do this is something which we are going to cover. And by learning all these things, you become a master in project management. You have a very good idea, because all these lessons comes up with some practical examples which I have personally handled in my career, throughout my career, when I was doing projects as a junior project manager, or when I was managing projects, also when I was heading PMOs. And in addition to that, we will also include some top trends as a bonus chapter in this particular section. So, top trends, like we learn about the ESG, sustainability, agile project management, AI in project management, visualization techniques, all those kind of things. And there is a specific focus on AI in projects as well, because in today's context, if you are talking about something and not talking about AI, then we are not doing justice to the job. So what is AI and how it impacts project management, how it helps project management, how do we take advantage of AI in order to become better project managers? That is what we are going to cover in AI in projects. Projects pre-mortem to ensure the success. This is normally not included in any of the vanilla project management course you would undertake. But I wanted to include this here because this is not only teaching project management, I want you to succeed in projects. So this simple technique helps you to organize your projects better, do the risk mitigation better, so that you are actually improving the success rate in your projects. And there are super ideas in project management which I have collected across the globe from various experts of project management, and brought it and then put it as a presentation and given it to you. This has very exciting cartoons and infographics and pictures, so that it becomes easy for you to remember. So these are the four bonus chapters, and we will also have doubt clearing sessions and other things according to the original program. I'm sure this helps you to get a good grip onto the project management, for you to improve your learning curve in project management. If you are a junior project manager, it helps you with the case studies to get much more knowledge and wisdom. If you are an aspiring project manager, it completely introduces you to the world of project management. All the case studies and examples what we are going to deal is going to make you remember what you learn much more better. And I'm sure this is going to help you a lot in terms of your journey in project management world. Welcome to the world of project management, and I am eager to see you in next sessions in order to go with you in the learning journey in project management. Thank you. Have a fantastic time ahead.